Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 19 Grove Street, Unit 1R, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour when you first walk in. Got your living area here, hardwood flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Another entrance there. Leads down to the basement. Got your kitchen area to my left. Countertop and cabinet space. A sink, refrigerator, gas stove, built-in microwave. Got the bathroom straight ahead with a shower tub and vanity. Medicine cabinet as well. On the opposite side of the living room here, you got your bedroom. Big enough for a queen set. Closet tucked in right there. I'd like to apply for 19 Grove Street, Unit 1R, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.